Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anil Polpe, Assistant Professor of Economics, Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Baudan, Pune. Today, we are going to discuss about the meaning and characteristics of utility. First, introduction. The theory of consumer behavior is based on an axiom that a consumer is a utility maximizing entity. The classical and neoclassical economics held the view that utility is cardinally measurable like weight, height, length, etc. But modern economists hold the view that utility is measurable only in ordinal terms, that is, in terms of less than or more than, based on cardinal and ordinal measures of utility. Then, what is utility? Utility is a term in economics that refers to the total satisfaction received from consuming a good or service. Economic theories based on rational choice usually assume that consumers will strive to maximize their utility. Then, meaning of utility. The simple meaning of utility is usefulness. In economics, utility is the capacity of a commodity to satisfy human wants. Then, utility is the quality in goods to satisfy human wants. Thus, it is said that wants satisfying capacity of goods or services is called utility. Then, definition of utility. According to Professor Wagg, utility is the power of commodity to satisfy human wants. Then another definition according to Fraser, on the whole in recent years the wider definition is preferred and utility is identified with desiredness rather than with satisfyingness. Utility can be measured in two ways. First, cardinal utility. Cardinal utility assigning numerical values to the amount of satisfaction. It assumes that utility can be measured in cardinal units. Then second one, ordinal utility. Ordinal utility not assigning numerical values to the amount of satisfaction but indicating the order of preferences. Then the characteristics of utility. The following are the important characteristics features of utility. First is that utility has no ethical or moral significance. A commodity which satisfies any type of want, whether moral or immoral, socially desirable or undesirable, has utility. That is, a knife has utility as a household appliance to a housewife, but it has also a utility to a killer for stabbing somebody. Second one, utility is psychological. Utility of a commodity depends on a consumer's mental attitude and assessment regarding its power to satisfy his particular want. Thus, utility of a commodity may differ from person to person. Psychologically, every consumer has his likes and dislikes, and everyone determines his own level of satisfaction. Then third one, utility is always individual and relative. Utility of a commodity varies in different situations in relation to time and place. Even the same consumer may derive a higher or lower utility for the same commodity at different times and different places. For example, a person may find more utility in woolen cloths during the winter than in summer, or at Kashmir than at Mumbai. And fourth one, utility is not necessarily equated with usefulness. Utility simply means the ability to satisfy a want. A commodity may have utility, but it may not be useful to the consumer. For instance, a cigarette has utility to the smoker, but it is injurious to his health. Then fifth one, utility cannot be measured objectively. Utility being a subjective phenomenon or feeling of a consumer cannot be expressed in numerical terms. So, utility cannot be measured cardinally or numerically. It cannot be measured directly in a precise manner. Professor Marshall has, however, unrealistically assumed cardinal measurement of utility in his analysis of demand. Then sixth one, utility depends on the intensity of want. Utility is the function of intensity of want. A want which is unsatisfied and greatly intense will imply a high utility for the commodity concerned to a person. But when a want is satisfied in the process of consumption, it tends to experience a lesser utility of the commodity than before. Then, seventh characteristics is that utility is different from pleasure. A commodity may have utility, but its consumption may not given any pleasure to the consumer. For example, medicine or an injection. An injection or medicinal tablets gives no pleasure, but it is necessary for the patient. And eighth, utility is also distinct from satisfaction. Utility and satisfaction both are, though, interrelated, but they have not been considered as the same in a strict sense. Then, different types of utility. In economics, production refers to the creation of utilities in several ways. Thus, there are following types of utility. First is that form utility. This utility is created by changing the form or shape of the materials. For example, a cabinet turned out from steel furniture made of wood and so on. Basically, form utility is created by the manufacturing of goods. Then second one, place utility. This utility is created by transporting goods from one place to another place. Thus, in marketing goods from the factory to the marketplace, place utility is created. Then third one, time utility. Storing, hoarding and preserving certain goods over a period of time may lead to the creation of time utility for such a goods. For example, by hoarding or storing food grains at the time of a bumper harvest and releasing their stocks for sale at the time of scarcity, traders derive the advantage of time utility and thereby fetch higher prices for food grains. Then fourth one, service utility. This utility is created in rendering personal services to the customers by various professionals such as lawyers, doctors, teachers, bankers, actors, etc. Then next, kinds of utility. First kinds of utility is that marginal utility. Marginal utility is the utility derived from the last or marginal unit of consumption, that is called marginal utility. Then second one is that total utility. Total utility is the utility from all units of consumption. According to Mayers, total utility is the sum of the marginal utilities associated with the consumption of the successive units. Then third one, average utility. Average utility is that utility in which the total unit of consumption of goods is divided by number of total units. Thank you for watching my video.